Carlton Group, it's not just a real estate agency, it's a symphony of people, a symphony of services, and an audience of clients from the world over, speaking, as we do, 15 languages, with at least 8 cultures, able therefore to better understand the needs of our clients and provide the service that perhaps others are unable to provide. Carlton International intended to serve the very high end of the real estate market. Carlton International deals with real estate from the Italian frontier to Saint-Tropez and far into the hinterland of the coastal area. Our clients who are selling their properties are also from every corner of the world. They have beautiful homes of varying architectures, and we have a vast selection to be able to meet the needs of a client purchaser from anywhere. Riviera lifestyle really is almost a means of describing the environment we're living in. Our homes in that category of property are absolutely delightful, spread across the south of France, but at budgets which are meaningful to people who cannot afford the most expensive properties in the area. This has allowed us to service a clientele of different societies, different means, and above all, lovers of the Côte d'Azur. Carlton International also offers a vast portfolio of selected homes available for holiday, vacation, and business purposes. Carefully selected in prime coastal and countryside environments, we ensure that each property is furnished, equipped, and decorated to the highest standards. The lifestyle needs of our guests are fulfilled by our concierge service, available for every purpose, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We provide all the maintenance to their homes. We renovate their homes when it's needed and decorate them, while in their absence, being guided by their choice of tones and colors. We look after their gardens and their swimming pools, their cars even, their insurance issues and their security issues. It's a full, hands-on service which is part of the Carlton Group. Carlton Hotel Brokers. We are indeed in the field of hotels of all sizes, of all types, and of all stars. In our team, we have competence in mergers and acquisitions, accounting capacity, an understanding of the needs of an investor, the discretion and competence able to advise and conclude a transaction for the purchase and the sale of a hotel. In times of fragility, just as in times of growth, real estate is a support, an ever-increasing value, a solid base on which to construct a patrimony. Consult us, and we will give you the advice that you may seek.